guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you what I got in my spring Fabfitfun box. This is actually my first Fabfitfun box ever. How crazy is that? But it's expensive, so that's the reason why I haven't gotten it. But I don't know, I wanted to get it. I just started going to the gym, and yeah, that's my reasoning. So if you want to see what I got in my spring Fabfitfun box, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing is this magazine. I don't know. This is my first Fabfitfun, so it shows me the different variations of the box. That's pretty cool. Just some random stuff, some fitness, some other stuff. Now I have this 11 by Venus jump rope. This will be super fun. I just started going to the gym, and this will be good for cardio before my workouts. Excited about this. And then I have this Ouai hair care leave-in conditioner. I've heard really good things about the Ouai brand, and I love a good leave-in conditioner. Anything to get my hair less frizzy, more hydrated, it's all good. And then I have these Key Australia sunglasses. Oh my god. These look huge. Okay, I'm gonna try them on. Oh my god, you guys. I look like a fly. Oh no. And then there is this Lavido aromatic body lotion. Mandarin, orange, and bergamot. Ooh, that's nice. I'm gonna put some on my hands right now. Very nice. Gotta keep your hands hydrated. And then I have this unplug meditation diffuser. I'm actually really excited for this. Oh, I think it comes with a little, ooh, comes with a little orange essential oil. That's nice. I'm not gonna take the actual ASMR. I'm not going to take the actual thing out of the packaging, but yeah, I'm excited for this. And then I have this Two Bandits necklace. Looks like it's a little messed up in the packaging, but it looks pretty nice. Ooh, ah. And then we have the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. And I actually have this, I got it in a BoxyCharm a little while ago, but this stuff is good. I don't use it on a regular basis, the one that I have, because it's expensive, but now that I have another one, I think I'll be using it more. Now the last thing I have in my Fabfitfun is the Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub. Oh, it's from Mana Kadar. So I'm excited about this. I don't use scrubs that often, but I want to start self-tanning, so I need to scrub my body for that, so it'll come in handy. Alright, so that's all I got in my spring Fabfitfun box. I'm sorry that I sped through it very quickly. I have to leave for the airport in 30 minutes and I haven't started packing yet, so there's that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I try to post videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so be sure to come back on those days. Maybe I've posted a video. We'll see. I'm really trying to keep up, but it's hard. I've been traveling a lot, so that's my excuse. But when I get back, it's gonna be different. But be sure also to comment down below what you want to see me post, because I'm always in a creative rut and I want to give the people what they want. You know what I mean? Okay, yeah, so That's all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, guys.